Hi everyone, Adventures with the Home Service Pro here, and in today's video I'm going to show you a room tour of our room 9109 at Walt Disney World's Riverside Resort. So let's head on in. So when you first come in, you have this lovely little table right here. I love the theming in here. You have some family photos of Tiana's family. And you have two queen-size beds, and something that's very cool is these reading lights. You just pop right out and they turn on. And you have the beautiful backdrop of the bayou. And in the middle here you have a little bedside table, your phone, and your Ask Alexa. Then you come in over here, you have your TV. You have many outlets to choose from. You have 4 here. You have a USB, USB-C, so plenty of options, many drawers. And in here, you have your beverage cooler, and it says that it cools to 41 degrees and above. And then over here, you have a little coffee, tea section. And then you have your safe right here. It's a very good size. Plenty of storage. You have your thermostat right here. And look at how beautiful this door is. Isn't this so pretty? The theming is just so cute. And you come on in here. You have a full-length mirror, to check out your fit, your OOTD. You have 2 sinks. You have your sea salt hand soap and body lotion and your sea salt bath soap there. And you have one of your magnifying mirrors with the lights. Very handy dandy. Come in here to the bathroom. You've got your toilet, your towels, and this nice tub shower with nice glass sliding doors. And inside, you have your Sea Marine shampoo, conditioner, and your sea salt body wash. And I love on the floor, on the tile work there, it almost looks like lily pads, like Princess and the Frog themed. Oh, and that's cool up there. You have Tiana's place in the family photo. Very iconic. And the lights, look how beautiful these lights are. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. It's giving bayou and elegance, everything that Tiana embodies. Well, there you go, guys. That was our room tour of our room at Disney's Riverside Resort. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow, and we really appreciate your support. Have a great day, and let the adventures begin.